Every day brings new places to be and new faces to see. Tasks that cannot be fulfilled without change. Change forms the foundations of a city that moves in one direction, forward. It is with this in mind that Keep Greeley Moving was created. The city, along with a supportive community, was able to ignite the 20th Street Road Improvement Project, an initiative that aims to turn funds into better roads and quality of life for citizens. The project has already been turning heads, with the city investing $5.6 million into a design that will result in 4 lanes, bringing endless capacity and convenience to users of this former county road that is now inside our growing city. Improvements include left and right turn lanes to improve traffic flow from 74th to 83rd Avenue. Major improvements will include better lighting in the form of LED lights, detached sidewalks for a more enjoyable and safer pedestrian experience, curbs and gutter along the full stretch of road to better accommodate drainage and reduce flooding in the area, improved storm drainage that will prevent the road from being overtopped during major events, separate and safer bike lanes for those commuting from West Greeley, raised center medians to make it safer and more aesthetically pleasing. And that is just the beginning. Our story was set into motion by Duran Excavating on the 2nd of May 2016. The initial focus was on the west end of the project from 76th to 83rd Avenues with the installation of a much-needed storm pipe. Additionally, the old deteriorating road is being replaced with a modern urban road section that includes curb, gutter, and sidewalk. With Duran Excavating proceeding quickly in their work, Phase 2, which was initially expected to begin in October, began on July 16th, with the completion of the section from 74th to 76th anticipated in August. But that's not all. Thanks to a vision of improving sight distance, the peak on 82nd Avenue will be improved and the valley between 76th and 79th filled in. This will be no easy feat, with immense earthwork and relocation of underground utilities required. But as with many life-changing initiatives, it will all be worth it. Efforts are already in full swing to relocate 3 very large water lines, which will be completed in just 4 to 6 weeks. Thus far, we are ahead of schedule, meaning the city will be able to enjoy wider roads sooner than expected, all thanks to big ideas, even bigger plans, and of course, funding from citizens through Keep Greeley Moving.